Okay, so this is my final project for apps and scripting. You see here I have a register saying that, hold on, I have to click play for it to work. Let's give it a second to load. Okay, so you have your username. You can choose your username. Here you type your username. I'm going to type like second. I'll do like cast, and for the email it'll be like cast at gmail.com, and then it'll be cast as I was saying. I was going to enter cast 03 cast 03 as password, and it's supposed to tell me password is invalid. So we're going to try that again, and cast at gmail.com, and then I'm going to do capital KST03 period and capital KST03 period. Hopefully this time it works, because like sometimes Unity, for some reason, it says the username is taken. So let's see, cast, and we're going to do capital KAST03 and period, and I don't know, sometimes Unity doesn't. Let me start from the beginning. We'll try this. Cape and cape and cape 0, not 0, at gmail.com. But really it works. It's just that the way I programmed it, it's very irritating because it's encrypted and very sensitive. So I'm going to do capital KAPE 03 dot capital KAP 03 dot, and it says password's invalid. Well, overall it does work. It does work. I've tested it out before, but of course it does not want to work. We'll try this. I just want to be sure it works. Cola at gmail.com, and we'll do this at capital Cola LL12 dot capital COL 12 period. And it says username is taken, so let's add like 12 right here, and it should registration complete. I guess I set it up where you have to have like a number with the username, and it's Coco12, and the name is the password is, I said, what did I put for the password? It's oh yeah, Coke 12, and it's supposed to allow me to enter now. Coke 12, oh, with the period, forgot. Well, it worked. I probably just forgot. Let's try this. Well, let's just move on to the next thing. It works. It's just that I forgot how I programmed. So we have this, and we're in game right now. I put it in game. It's the next scene, and when you hover, it changes colors and such. You have a title screen. The name of the game is Lost Coins. You're trying to find the coins. You have new game, level select. Level select is set up to, like, if you save the game, you're supposed to start from where you started from. You have the options and the quit button, and quits, and when you press down, you're supposed to, for some reason, like, while you're playing inside Unity, it darkens the thing, but ignore that. For some reason, I have the controls backwards. You're able to move the first person control with the up, down, and key, and the golden coins look like this, and you can see, let me pause it for, yeah, sorry about that. I had to pause it for a second. Well, I have an inventory system, and I have a inventory system for the player 2. The ignore that. I don't know why. For some reason, the enemy is attacking the same time as the player. I mean the AI friend, and for some reason, yeah. So I'm just going to go find some coins. It's really awkward angling, but if you can see, I just picked up an item and a coin, and it makes that sign. The coins look like this, and it makes the coins. Oh, and I fell off the screen. And let me show you. There I have the pause thing, and it pauses the game, and you can save it, and where I said the where I put the resume game, when you go back to main menu, and you click on level select, it's supposed to start with your inventory and everything. It saves the whole entire game, and you start, and yeah, and it's basically what you have in your inventory at that time, and it's supposed to save everything, and the quick inventory and everything else. What else am I missing? Oops, did not mean to do that, but I have the obstacle. Let me go to back to the game. Let me turn it off and show you. Go to scene and floor, and let me go up close and go to navigation, and I baked a navigation too, and there's like 12 obstacles. I also did for the items, like I did 6 items, and I made sure that I duplicated them a bit. The inventory is able to go up to 12, but I ran out of time to make any more of I was gonna make 7, but I ran out of time. Well, in inventory, I kind of did the game settings one, but for some reason it didn't want to work out for me, and I did the save the whole entire thing and able to load the inventory. I created at least one background sound, and a sound effect for the coin pickup, because the goal of the game is to pick up all the coins. And I created a first person, third person, but it doesn't want to camera point